Hello, guys. I hope you're having a good day. I want to talk a little bit about the journey and why you should enjoy it. So, let's say you have a goal and you say, "Oh, when I get here, I'm going to be happy. When I get to $10,000 a month, I'm going to be happy. When I achieve this, I'm going to be happy. When I buy this car, I'm going to be happy." Well, maybe you know already, but maybe you don't. So I'm gonna tell you that when you actually get that goal, you're not gonna be happy. You're going to look for what's next. If you get that car and like what can I buy next? You get to $10,000 a month and you say, okay, how can I get more? How can I get more? You always are looking for more, which is okay. That's human nature, and we would not be here today if humans would not be thinking like that. But I just wanted to tell you with this that you cannot think that you get that goal and you're gonna finally be happy, because that's just not how it works. Let me give you an example. I first realized this about roughly 2 years ago when I was playing the game called League of Legends, and there's a ranking system, and I wanted to get to diamond. Diamond is like 5% of the player base or something. I'm not sure about it. I will put it on screen. So I wanted to get to diamond because like if you're diamond, you're good. Like you're finally gonna be playing against good players. The game is gonna feel better, and that's like a big accomplishment. A lot of people want to get diamond. And I just sat there and I was like, okay, like how can I get the diamond? I was watching videos on how to improve, countless of videos, countless of tips and tricks, and I bought like courses and stuff. And I was really locked in on this goal. I made it my purpose to get to diamond on this game. I was waking up every day, and I was only thinking about, okay, how can I get to diamond? I was playing day and night this game, and when I actually got the diamond, okay, so this is the story, right? I was this close to getting to diamond, and my friends came over, and I was like, okay, this night I'm gonna get to diamond. They were like, okay, okay. They were like not really caring about video games. I was the big video gamer, and I was into this game and whatnot. So yeah, the night came, and they they told me they are going to a party or something, right? And that I can come too. But I was like, I don't really want to go. I would just rather play this game and actually get to diamond. And they were a bit like you're gonna play video games, really? And they went. They went away. Okay. I sat down to my computer and played this game. I was like, what? 6 wins away from diamond, and I was okay. First game, win, 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 win. And I was 1 win away. I was like, okay, I'm really gonna get it tonight. It was like 2 in the morning at this point, right? And so I'm pretty tired already, but I was still like sure that I'm gonna get it, right? And I was pretty tired, and I was playing the game, and I lost. It was okay because I could have lost like 3 games or something, and I was still at the point where I was before, so I was like 1 win away, and I could have lost 3. So I lost the first one, I lost the second one, and then it's either win or lose now. You either get the diamond or you go back and you need to win 4 more. So I was very tired, and okay, I was like, fuck it. I was like, okay, let's go again. And I lost again. And it was like 4 in the morning by this point, and I was really, really mad. I was so mad. I was like, I could have gone to that party and it would have been much better. I was so mad. Like, I thought I'm gonna get it, but I didn't. I was really, really mad, and I went to sleep. The next day, I woke up. I hit diamond just like this. And when I actually did get it, I was like, it was on the screen. You promoted the diamond, right? I was happy for like what, 10 minutes, and then I was like, okay, what's next? I thought I'm gonna be happy when I get the diamond, but I actually wasn't. I was looking for what's next. Okay, the next rank is master. How can I get to masters? And that's when I realized that, oh, something is off. I thought I'm gonna be happy when I actually get here, and I wasn't. I was more happy working on that goal. I was more happy watching these videos on how to get better. I was more happy rewatching my gameplay and trying to improve rather than just having that goal and okay, well, you're diamond now. But what's next? What's next? That's especially a man thing. When you're masculine, you're okay, like you're looking for the next thing to do. And my next thing was master. As I said, the next rank. I made it my purpose again, and I was like really doing all this research stuff, and it was harder. But the next year, I reached master. I was like, when I get master, I'm gonna be happy. It's really gonna be nice. I hit masters, and I even was like rank 1 on a champion called Kane. I was rank 1 in the world, and it was not doing anything. I was like, okay, like I'm master, I'm rank 1 on this champion, which is like the best thing you can do, just be rank 1. I was like rank 1 in the world. I was like, holy, that's crazy. But I it was still not it. I was still not fulfilled. Like, I was again asking myself, what's next? And it hit me again. It hit me again because that's when I realized that you're not really gonna be happy when you actually achieve your goal, but you're more happy just pursuing it. The journey is more important than the destination. So this applies to real life as well, not just games, because the thinking is the same. You get to that goal, you're gonna be like, oh, what's next? So, and of course, when you research about, let's say, how to get to $10,000 a month, you try a business, it doesn't work out. Okay, you research about this and that, and you apply it. Okay, it's better, but still not it. You apply new things, learn new things. That's what's fun. When you get to that goal, you're not gonna be fulfilled. Don't think that. It's good to be there, but you're not really gonna be fulfilled. And that is what I wanted to tell you today. To just enjoy the journey and don't think it's bad to fail, because it's okay to fail. Of course you fail because you don't know how to do everything the right way. You need to learn it, and that's the beauty behind it. Have a good day and enjoy the journey.